ever found yourself staring at an Italian menu, completely lost? Don't worry, we'll have a look at it together and see what different parts there are. So, first up, the antipasti section. This is where you'll find delicious starters like bruschetta and caprese salad or insalata caprese. Perfect for starting off your meal. Next, we have primi piatti, which are the first course. It's usually pasta or risotto. So things like spaghetti carbonara, risotto alla milanese, anything like that. Then we have the secondi piatti. Okay, so this is your main course, usually meat or fish. So you're looking at things like bistecca for steak, trotta for trout, that type of thing. And then, of course, we mustn't forget the contorni. Contorni are the side dishes, so things like insalata, salad, patate al forno, roast potatoes, that type of thing. They basically complement your main course. And then finally, we have dolci desserts. Okay, so you can always end your meal with a typical Italian sweet dessert like tiramisu or gelato. Buonissimi. Okay, so now you're ready to order like a true Italian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on enjoying Italian culture. Ciao a tutti!